This is an 18K gold chain. So, being 18 karat, it is much softer than standard 14 karat gold, therefore requires less heat. A standard soldering on something like this would be done with heat and with flame, but with a laser it makes it much easier, and you have less of a risk of seizing several links together. Now that I have it in place, I'll go ahead and turn our laser on and turn our power way down. Bring our spot to about 0.2. We're going to get our time down just a little bit, and we're going to go on a slow wave. Alright, I'm just going to gently squeeze that one link together to help it seal a little better. Our laser weld is strong, so if we come back to that same point, no issue. So here we have an 18 karat box chain that came in broken. One of the links had come apart. So what we did is, using the laser, we took a separated box link, clamped it onto a new link, and then we simply made that seal once again by welding that link in between the other links. And that created a nice tight seal. And as you can see, we once again have a functional necklace.